If you don't see incoming calls on Redmi A7 Pro, if they do not display on your screen when someone calls you, then let me show you what you can do to try to fix it. The first thing that you can do is you can open settings. In settings, scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then in here, you should be able to find do not disturb, which you might want to check if it's not enabled. If it is enabled, then this is the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, why they do not display. So you might want to turn it off. There's also, of course, a chance that the ND mode is set as a schedule. I mean, it can be re-enabled later on. So you want to make sure that it is not going to be re-enabled later on without your consent, of course. So keep that in mind. Now, if you don't have the ND mode activated and you still cannot see incoming calls, you can also just simply reboot your phone. Sometimes a simple restart of the device can work as well. It might solve some issues. So besides that, what you can also do, if none of this helps, is you can go to apps. Now, over here in apps, we should be able to enable system apps. So we need to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then choose to show all apps. Now we're gonna use the search option and you can type phone. There we go. Now in here we need to find the phone app. We're gonna start with that. And if possible, you can force stop it. You can also clear data over here. You want to clear all data that you have in here. There we go. Then you can also go to app permissions and you want to make sure that these permissions that I have in here are granted in your case as well. If something is not granted, then you can just tap on the permission and then you can allow the app to use it. In notifications, everything should be enabled in here, but if it's not, then of course you can turn it on. And that is pretty much all. So after that, what you can do is you can go to the hyperphone over here. And what you want to do from now on is you want to clear all data or cache for these apps that I'm about to mention. So in this case, just tap on clear data, and if possible, clear all data or clear cache if you cannot clear all data. We're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage. You want to do the same thing, just clear all data or cache. In this case, I just could clear cache only. Then we have phone services, so we're gonna do the same thing. There we go. After that, we can switch the phrase at the top of the search from phone's call. Then we have manage calls, so we're gonna select that. You want to clear data again. There we go. Now after that, you might want to open the phone app. And then you can check if it works now, if you can see incoming calls. If you still cannot see them, you might want to restart your phone once again, and then hopefully it works. Leave a like and subscribe.